Hi friends, we are very happy that you are with us today, and we will show you in this video how to hide the selected post of people you are follow on Instagram. So let's go to the watching. At the very beginning I need to open my Insta app. We are on the home page and we have the first post as an example. Let's use it, okay? So what does it mean that we will hide the selected post? It means that you will save your subscription. So if you want to be the follower of the selected person, of the selected user, you will be, but you want to receive some similar and these post some similar content on your For You and also homepage, which is very convenient because you definitely can customize and control your homepage. So I will show you how to do it. Remember that this hide option works only for posts, not for reels, not for stories, only for posts. So what you need to do, you just need to tap on the three dots icon opposite the username and choose the hide option. Well done. It's really very simple to do. Later you also will have set on options like mute, unfollow, report, etc. But you don't need to pick on some of them. You just only have to swipe down your homepage and well done, voila. Everything is saved successfully, and from now on you won't receive some similar content. Guys, I hope that this short tutorial was useful and really was helpful. So if it is, don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out even more cool Instagram tricks. Bye bye.